wealthy and curious king. The wealthy and curious king placed a large bounty in the middle of the road and hid nearby to see if anyone would try to move it. First, someone of the king's richest merchant and countries walked by. Instead of moving the bounty, they walked around it and complained that the king should maintain the road better. Then a peasant came alone carrying vegetables. When he saw the bounty, he put down his load and tried to move the stone to the side of the road. After a lot of effort, he finally succeeded. When the peasant picked up the load again, he noticed a purse laying. Where the peasant had been inside, the purse were gold coin and note from the king of saying the gold was a reward for moving the bounty. The king touched the present a valuable lesson. Moral of the story: every obstacle is an opportunity to improve our situation. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe. See the next video.